Hi friends, this is Raja. Welcome to Coder's Companion. The topic that I am going to cover in this video is History of Python. This is third topic in getting started with Python. Let's begin. Guido van Rossum. He is a man who created Python in the late 80s at CWI in Netherlands. Python was named after the BBC TV show Monty Python's Flying Circus. Python was said to be derived from ABC and Modula 3 programming languages. Let's step over the footprints of Python to know about important versions and highlights of Python. We can broadly classify Python versions into two parts: older version from start to 2.x versions and newer version Python 3.x versions. Let's begin with older version. The implementation of Python was started in December 1989. In February 1991, Python 0.9.0 was published. Python at the initial stage of development had the functionalities such as classes with inheritance, exception handling, functions and data types such as list, dictionary, string and so on. Also, module system was implemented, which is derived from Modula 3. In Jan 1994, Python 1.0 was released. The major new features included in this release were the functional programming tools Lambda, Map, Filter and Reduce. In October 2000, Python 2.0 was released. New features such as list comprehensions, garbage collection systems was added in this release. Python 2.2 was released in December 2001. A major innovation was the unification of Python's types written in C and types written in Python into one hierarchy. Python 2.5 was released in September 2006. In this release, with statement was introduced, which encloses a code block within a context manager. Python 2.6 was released in October 2008. To coincide with Python 3.0 and included some features from that release. Python 2.7 was released in July 2010. It included features from Python 3.1, which was released on June 2009. In November 2014, it was announced that Python 2.7 would be supported until 2020, but users were encouraged to move to Python 3 as soon as possible. Let's look at the newer version of Python. Python 3.0 was released on December 2008, also called Python 3000 or Py3k. It was designed to rectify fundamental design flaws in the language. Python 3.x mainly focused on removing duplicative constructs and modules. In keeping with, there should be one and preferably only one obvious way to do it. Python 3.x remained a multi-paradigm language. Coders could still follow object-oriented, structured and functional programming paradigms. Python 3.x version broke backward compatibility and Python 2.x code does not run unmodified on Python 3.x. Subsequent releases in the Python 3.x series have included additional substantial new features. All ongoing development of the language is done in 3.x series. Thanks for watching. I hope that you like this video. For more details, view the description below. See you in next video.